Education alone cannot define the child's future. Life is beautified after we enhance the child's interest and make him or her a successful person. With this motive, Shri Bhavar Lal Gadia laid the foundation of Mewar Education Society in 2001, considering education as societal responsibility. The organization's main goal has been to provide opportunities to those youngsters who lack resources in taking forward their talents.
मैं इस देश की जो युवा पीढ़ी है उसको इस देश की जो मुख्य धारा है उसके साथ जोड़ूं, जो गांव में रहते हैं, जो निम्न वर्ग से आते हैं, जो आर्थिक रूप से कमज़ोर हैं। मेरा ये मानना है कि इन युवाओं में असीम प्रतिभा है, लेकिन इन्हें संवारने का मौका बहुत कम मिलता है। और मेवाड़ एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी, मेवाड़ इंस्टीट्यूट, ये तमाम संस्थानों में एक ही विचारधारा है, रीचिंग टू अनरीच।
बात यही है कि बच्चों को आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है, बच्चों को निर्भर नहीं बनाना है, आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है।
Gangrar, a temple like a boat for those who wish to excel in their lives, is located 20 kilometers from Chittorgarh amid the Aravalli Hills. What Mewar Education Society dreamed 13 years ago seems to have come into life now. Mewar Girls College in 2004, Teachers Training Program in 2005, Ayurveda Nursing Training in 2006, and then BSc Nursing Program in 2011. The society is growing year after year. In 2009 came the Mewar University into existence, promulgated under an act passed by Rajasthan Assembly. The list is endless. Above all, the society is even planning to launch a medical college, nursing college, management institute, women's polytechnic and pharmacy college soon. The social work of Mewar Education Society is not only limited to Rajasthan. There is a state-of-the-art campus in Ghaziabad, where Mewar Institute of Management, Mewar Law Institute and Mewar Girls Business School are functioning. Society's only mission is to make the youngsters of the country self-dependent, responsible and confident professionals. Carrying the same motive, an ATDC training center is also running in the Mewar University campus that trains youngsters in various skills. Behind this huge success of Mewar Society lies the strong determination, willpower, discipline and above all, a will to bring a difference to the existing society. Every nook and corner of the campus oozes excellence. High-tech classrooms, smart classes, a library with more than 50,000 books, well-equipped laboratory and research center, modern hostels, medical facilities, indoor and outdoor sports and adventure sports, transport facilities, huge dining hall. Everything is magnificent and up to the mark. An environment where studies would never seem to be a burden.
मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी में 600 कंप्यूटर्स हैं, 12 लैब्स हैं। हम लोग फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं इंटरनेट की 24/7।
The library has a massive collection of books. There is no subject on which the library doesn't have a book. E-library, book bank and several other options keep a close connect between students and studies. Then comes the laboratory. Be it mechanical or chemical engineering, there is no dearth of equipment. The labs are rich in its world-class equipments and instruments that makes the students ahead of the others.
विशेष करके सबसे ज़्यादा 7 ब्रांचेज काम करती है, जिसमें मैकेनिकल, सिविल, electrical, electronic communication, chemical engineering.
Most important, hostels. There are separate hostels for boys and girls. Besides the basic amenities, the environment and food is so good that students never miss their homes. Amid strict discipline and several options for extracurricular activities, students are bound to become one with their college.
हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को विदेशों में भी भेजते हैं। हम उन्हें एक स्किल्ड मैन पावर बनाते हैं। डिग्री डिप्लोमा के साथ साथ उसमें एक हुनर भी हम पैदा करते हैं ताकि वो हमारे देश के सच्चे यूजफुल नागरिक बन सकें।
With changing times, the classrooms have also been densified. Seminars and workshops give students a way to find solutions to their queries and sometimes even make them question and think out of the box. Industry visits give a different exposure to our students. Also, they help in their overall personality development.
हमारा स्टूडेंट एक इंडियन एथिकल पर्सन, वेल ट्रेन्ड इंजीनियर नहीं, एक ग्लोबल माइंडसेट के साथ एक इंजीनियर बन रहा है।
In Mewar Girls College, courses like MIB, BBM, BCA, PGDCA, Computer Operator and Program Assistant, BSc Biotechnology, MSc Biotechnology, Diploma in Fashion Technology are being run. In Mewar Girls College of Teachers Training, courses like B.Ed and Basic School Teachers Certificate course are being conducted. In Mewar Girls Ayurvedic Nursing Center, Diploma in Nursing and Pharmacy, and in Mewar Girls Institute of Nursing, BSc Nursing is being taught. In Ghaziabad, Mewar Girls Business School, courses like BBA, BCA, MBE, MBA are being run. 3-year and 5-year LLB courses are being run in the Mewar Law College. While in Mewar Institute of Management, MSc in Computer Science, MSc in Biotech, MSc in Information Science, BTC, B.Ed, B.Lib, BBA and MBA courses are being run.
हमारा जो थीम है वो है बेस्ट टीचिंग, बेस्ट ट्रेनिंग एंड बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट।
More than 12,000 girls and boys are studying under the umbrella of Mewar Education Society. According to Dr. Ashok Kumar Gadia, more than 75% of these students belong to underprivileged section of the society, and it is their responsibility to bring them into the mainstream. The main aim of the institute is reaching the unreached. Students from Northeast and Jammu and Kashmir and also from foreign countries are studying here, aspiring for a better tomorrow. Azra Ishaq is from Sopore, a terrorism-hit area in Baramulla district in Jammu and Kashmir, studies here.
मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को प्राउड फील कराना चाहती हूँ।
मेवाड़ ने बहुत कुछ दिया, एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दी मुझे।
Olito H.I. of Nagaland, Kohima is studying agriculture here.
This institute can give me a quality education, what I'm searching for, and then I hope that one day I'll be able to achieve my goal with the help of these faculty members.
I feel so comfortable. The environment I face, it's something like good, like it's so comfortable.
Gulshan Kumar from Jharkhand, Godda, is a student of pharmacy here.
मुझे मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी ने एक मौका मिला है, मैं एक अच्छा फार्मासिस्ट बनना चाहता हूँ।
बिहार में ऐसा मौका नहीं मिला, इसलिए मैं मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी में इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच में डिप्लोमा करने आया हूँ।
यह मेवाड़ यूनिवर्सिटी पढ़ाई करके अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
The chairman of this university came to our country and he talked about the teaching facility and everything over here, and it sounds so appealing that I came here.
When you compare it to other universities, they only teach theory.
but here I'm getting both theory and the practical part.
इंजीनियर बनाना हमारे लिए एक सपना था जो आज पूरा हो रहा है.
The struggle for getting good teachers and professors ends here. Young and vibrant teachers are being trained every year.
हिंदुस्तान की जितनी भी IITs, NITs और जो विश्व स्तरीय संस्थान हैं, वहाँ से टीचर्स को सेलेक्ट करके इस विश्वविद्यालय में उपलब्ध कराया है.
The policy statement of the institute is best teaching, best training, best placement and best research. This way, the two-way teaching takes place. Students are motivated to solve the problems and overcome their fears through presentations and assignments.
बच्चा यहाँ पे इतना प्रिपेयर होके जाता है कि उसको आगे इतनी आसानी से काम कर लेता है वो.
Several seminars, workshops and other events are being organized for faculty members and students. There is one counselor on every 30 students.
यहाँ पर डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम के अंदर 21 से 45 डेज के इंटेंसिव ट्रेनिंग करवाते हैं. आफ्टर 6 सेमेस्टर इन्हें इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम करवाते हैं इन इंडस्ट्री.
Overall development is the most important part of education. Every course is being designed in such a manner that not only academics, students can excel in each field. Sports, debate, dance, management games and other such activities make sure the students are confident of their talent. There is an editorial board of Mewar University students that brings out an yearly magazine Mira.
बच्चों की ग्रोथ के लिए हम उसके डिसिप्लिन के लिए हमने एक टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी इम्प्लीमेंट कर रखी है जिसमें उनके असाइनमेंट, प्रेजेंटेशन एंड चार्ट्स स्टूडेंट्स खुद अपनी क्लासेस के अंदर प्रेजेंट करते हैं इंडिविजुअली.
Syllabus belongs to today's world. There is no place for any outdated technology or methodology. Students should never face any kind of problem in achieving their dreams.
जो पूरा सिलेबस बच्चे का होता है उसके प्रिसाइज नोट्स जो हैं वो हम रिटन फॉर्म में बच्चों को प्रोवाइड करते हैं.
हमें बेस्ट रिसर्च करके दिखाना है इस यूनिवर्सिटी में. केमिकल डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से एक पैटेंट इस सेशन में हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. 5 रजिस्ट्रेशन और 5 पैटेंट और लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
विद्यार्थियों के अंदर मॉरल एथिक्स, मॉरल ड्यूटीज़ और देश के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझने के लिए रेगुलर बेसिस पर नियमित रूप से इनसे इंटरेक्शन किया जाता है.
Mewar Girls College not only makes girl student professionals in their field but also assists them in planning their careers. This work is done by Career Management Center and college community. There is an emphasis on making them independent in their lives. In companies, finances, products, market analysis, resume making, how to face interview, etc.
हम यहाँ के मेवाड़ के स्टूडेंट को हायर एजुकेशन के लिए गेट की कोचिंग देते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, जिससे लड़कों का एक हायर एजुकेशन में जो IIT से वो MTech करें या ISRO, DRDO, NTPC या बड़े बड़े PSU कंपनियों में उनका सिलेक्शन इसके थ्रू होता है.
Till date, big companies like Aditya Cement Works, Alchem Pharma of Surat, Adani Exports of Jaipur, Agriculture University of Junagadh, Birla Cement Works of Chittorgarh and more than other 100 industries have provided summer placements to the students.
बच्चे के पढ़ाई के वक्त पे ही यूनिवर्सिटी उसको किसी इंडस्ट्री के साथ अटैच करती है. वहाँ वो सीख के और अपना डिग्री पूरा होते होते तक एम्प्लॉयबल हो जाता है.
In the words of Swami Vivekanand, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached.